shop price inflation is finally coming down, and is significantly so, it seems.
Yeah, I think you're starting to hit some interesting size and scopes in terms of where it is. So shop price inflation lower again or slower again in the last month. It's hit the lowest since August 2022, all going in the right direction. I think in particular here what you're seeing is a degree of price competition between retailers, you know, and in particular as you come up to the Christmas season. But the grocery sector, very, very competitive. So I think that is feeding into this a little bit, and then we'll see probably more of this as we go into what is likely to be quite a difficult Christmas season when retailers may well have to discount more than they had initially planned for.
OK, well, that's some nice news, isn't it? At least the bit that's about them falling, those shop prices falling. Less good news on financial arrears if you're looking at a particular part of the market. Britain's in most arrears since the financial crisis, according to one particular credit firm. Flesh that out a little.
Yeah, so this is kind of it's a loan servicing firm, and I think, you know, this is not a huge sample size, but it is an interesting thing to bring up about the market. So, you know, interest rates have gone up, mortgage pressure has hit most households, but it is hitting some households much more so than others, and particularly if you're already financially vulnerable, if you're already perhaps in a forbearance arrangement with your lender, you are now in real difficulty, and particularly, again, if you're on a variable rate mortgage. So I think this just highlights something that's going on in a part of the market that actually we don't talk about an enormous amount, when the rest of the market, where you've had savings and where households have been able to cope with the mortgage rates going up, this is one area where that's not so much the case.